This Coldwell Banker Associated Brokers Realty, Incorporated property video is presented by Rita Schlotman. Lots of updates in this 3-bedroom 2-bath Morningside home. House roof last year, garage roof a couple of years ago. Updated windows and siding. New, beautiful bath up. Newer bath on main with laundry. Gorgeous woodwork throughout home. Kitchen features oak cabinets. Dining room is open to living room. French doors and built-ins. New radon mitigation system. Single oversized garage with opener. Don't miss out on this charmer. For more information, review the details below or contact Rita Schlotman at 712-255-7310.